So you heard that Nowsite Marketing now has done for you pages, and you want to know what they're all about and how you can get started with it. And I'm gonna show you. Let's go. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, including this one. And today I'm going to show you the new features that Nowsite has put into place, which is basically done for you website templates, capture pages for you to be able to get started. So let me go show you what that's all about. All right, so as you can see right here, these are like all the multiple websites I've already created. Now, these aren't the website. These are just the thumbnails, so I know which website to go to, that I've created already. But up here, where you see it says websites, it says add new. When you do this now, there's new features here back here where you can start from a blank page. You start from a capture page. They got capture page 2, and then they got a brand builder page. So I'll go show you what those pages look like, okay? So the blank page, obvious, right? It's a blank page. But when you go to my website, you come down here, and you can see I already got 3 that I've already created. So I'll go in line. So the first capture page that they're going to make for you, right, will be right here. Okay, so you can see it made you a simple capture page, with an image behind it. Of course, all this is editable. You can go behind and edit the background image. You can edit your logo, of course. You can edit the text, but basically, it just gave you something to start off with, so you can hit the ground right away with a capture page. Okay, so that's capture page number 1. This one's capture page number 2. Okay, now, as you can see, this is pretty unique because this one has actual video. Okay, so if you want a nice video background, something that's really going to be captivating and capture the attention of your prospect, then this might be a way to go right here. So now you can see how you can have a video background capture page. Okay, and then over here, we'll go into the full page. Now, if you need a full website, you just needed something that was going to fully brand yourself, then you would use this right here. Okay. And as you can see at the top, they land on it. They got your background image. They got your capture page, so you can get their information. You get their email, and phone number. Okay. Down here, of course, all this is editable. Okay. This is just to give you a place to start. All right, so if you don't like something like the headline and you wanted to make this bolder, or you wanted to change the font, or you wanted to actually type something out, that's going to be longer than just one word, all that can be done. Okay, this is just giving you a starting point, so you kind of know where to go from here, and you don't have to be the one to come up with the layout, and you don't have to be the one to come up with where how's it going to be formatted, or how do you add a video. It's already there, so all you have to do is say, okay, this video's here. Let me replace the URL with mine's, and instantly you got a video right there. Same thing with this button. Let me change the information to this button, and I'll go show you what that looks like. Okay. And as you can see, a full layout website for you. All you got to do is pretty much just plug and play. So I'll go show you what that even looks like. Okay. So if we was coming in and we were diving in, we wanted to edit any of this, all we would do, we'll come in. Once we started our site, it'll automatically start, and it'll throw us into the back office. When you go into the back office, this is what it's going to look like. Now, as you can see, it's already been laid out for you. So all you would do from this point is plug in a few key things. So for instance, right here, I would change my logo, of course, right? Because you see, that's just a sample. So I would come over here, I would change that image. And another thing they've done also now is they've added, you see right here where it says my images. I haven't been adding anything yet, but now when I add my images to the database, like my upload, now I'll have my images back here already, so I don't have to keep uploading images. They'll already be saved in the back office the same way they already got their library. Now I can have my own. Okay. But since I don't have one yet, we'll go over here. Okay. So now I got my logo right there. See how quick and easy that was? Of course, I could change any type right here. Quick, easy, right there. And then the only other thing I really have to change here is just learn more. So I would change to learn more. Come down here, scroll. You see right there, it goes to example.com. So I would have it go to mine, of course, right? HTTP. All right, so I hit OK. And then just that simple, now this is saved. And now when we go to that page, you see that information. We can type in some dummy information. And now when you hit learn more, it should go to my page that I send everybody to when they look in to join one of my opportunities. Okay, see? So look how fast you was able to put up a capture page. I mean, literally instantly, right? Like in less than 5 minutes, we just did a whole full capture page. So now, same concept. How long you think it would take for you to be able to make this one right here your own? You know, full-fledged website. And how long is it going to take you to type in a new headline right there, right? Or add your picture, add whatever content you want right there, or change this redirection right there, or change this video. Remember I was saying all you gotta do is just add your YouTube video right there, or change all these pictures out to make them yours. Like literally with this template, getting started, you can already have a website up within 10 minutes. And let's say something like, okay, well, I like everything, but I don't really need this part. I don't really like it. No problem. Just delete it. See? Delete. You know? Or let's say, okay, let's say you say, but wait a minute. I didn't want to, you know, I don't want to mess something up. You know, I see everything, how it's laid out. I like everything's laid out. Well, you can come over here. You can come over here, hit the 3 dots, moves out the way, hit these 3 dots. And you see right there it says duplicate. Look how easy you can duplicate the page. So once you duplicate the page, and it should be on the next, let's refresh, move this back. Okay, so let's refresh that page so we see that that new page has been added. Okay, go to page 3. And then now that we got 2 of those pages, you see right here it says copy. This one right here is the one where I'll make dramatic edits. You know, like, okay, I'm going to try some things. Like, I'm going to take this out. You know, and in that way, if I take it out and I don't like it, oh, no, I don't like this just sitting on top of this, then I can always revert back to the one that I didn't duplicate, right? And I can start over again. So this is a good way to secure your sites and make sure that when you're editing, you don't do something that might, you know, that you might regret and mess up. Okay, and then you have to start from scratch. So these are the new templates that get you started now. You know, Nowsite likes to make things easy and make it really done for you. Okay, that's what this is really about. It's that, you know, they've learned that, okay, you know, the do-it-yourself market is cool, but you know what's even cooler? If they can do it for you. And they know that most people is not really trying to go back to school to learn how to design, or they just don't have the time. Some of them don't have the time. If you actually got a business, you're an entrepreneur, you know, you own restaurants or a brick and mortar, then chances this, you are already swamped with trying to run your business. So the last thing you have time for is building out websites, building out capture pages, building out landing pages, you know, building up your list. Like, most of us don't have time. So now you can have Nowsite be able to do it for you. When you first come in, you're going to get actually 60 minutes for them to just build out your website. So imagine them, you coming in right now, starting, right, little $47, and then after that 60 minutes, they're already building out your first website and 3 email campaigns to go out. Then afterwards, if you still need more help, or if you still need more time, let's say, oh, that 60 minutes wasn't enough, then you can come over here and hire a nerd for just $20. So pennies on the dollar. And now, look at, for $20 and 30-minute session, you can have them build design your website, your emails, SMS, your CRM, like everything that Nowsite has to offer pretty much in our back office, you can have a nerd do for you, you know, not show you how to do it, but actually do it for you, you know, and that way it makes it more streamlined, makes it so that you can actually get something done. You know, you can get your work done and you can also get your Nowsite marketing done at the same time. Hope that makes sense. All right. All right. So you like what you see, then, you know, you're ready to jump aboard. then hit that link below. GetMoneyLikeABoss.com. I have a special going right now where you can save $40 because right now it's only $47, but it's also a $40 activation fee. So I'm gonna waive that 40 if you join now. So you're looking at this video, join now and just hit save 40. If you're watching this video and you put save 40 and it works, awesome. If you're watching the video and you put save 40 and it don't work, it means you waited too late. Or you was not on my list and you didn't subscribe to my channel, and that way you didn't get notified when I did the video and you got this video late and now you didn't get the benefit. So make sure you subscribe, and that way you don't have to worry about that happening. Okay, so hit the link below. Also, if you got questions, you know, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you have. All right. So again, I appreciate you, and hey, I'll see you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.